Hey everybody, it's William Narod here, the Paradise Guy. Welcome to another edition of Paradise Property Previews here in Huatulco. We're in Sector J today, and we're in front of another diamond in the rough. For those of you that are interested in taking a property and making it realize its full potential, well, you got to come and see this place, so stay tuned. Okay, welcome to Sector J and our diamond in the rough here. This is a 4-bedroom place with a bonus room up top. Check out this entryway here with plenty of room for parking. In the backyard, you've got a nice pool. You've got plenty of area even for expansion and or other outdoor living facilities. You've got a big privacy fence that surrounds the property. You've got 2 units on the ground level. Each unit has room for a bed, it has a sink, it has a bathroom, including toilet and shower. Imagine this cleaned up, painted, renovated, and what kind of rental potential do you think these 4 units might have for you? I'm going to tell you right now that the price that this is being offered at is very desirable, and I believe that for an all-cash offer, you could negotiate an incredible deal. Check out the size of that shower, and even look at all the natural lighting. Let's head upstairs. As you head upstairs, here's the second level. Again, 2 other units up here. So 2 units on the ground floor, 2 units on middle floor. Let's head up to the 3rd level. Once we get up to the 3rd level, you'll notice this bonus room. Now, this bonus room could be an office, it could be a laundry facility, it even could be potentially a small bedroom. You've got a bathroom up here and even a potential for a sink, and look at that, even natural light flows into this space as well. Let's look down on the outdoor living space. What could you do with this? Let's look around the neighborhood, see what your neighbors look like, see what the views look like from the 3rd level. Pretty impressive property. If you'd like more information on this, please contact me at info@ParadiseGuy.com. All right, well, thanks for joining me on today's Paradise Property Preview. Thank you for watching ParadiseGuy.tv, and thank you for contacting me for all of your real estate needs. If you have any questions about this property or anything else in the Huatulco area, I'm always here to help. With that, my name is William Narod. I am the Paradise Guy. Let's see you down here soon. Cheers.